This is a Aztec grass or a variegated Liriope. It's called variegated because of the leaf, to where it's got the green and the white built into the leaf. Anything that has that is called variegated. So this guy is really cool because he adds a lot of accent to the yard, especially when you just have a ton of green going on. This can really bring some light and color to the yard. He does put on a flower, but the flower is white, so you kind of don't even see it when it is blooming. This is about max height. They'll get to be around 15 inches, 18 inches tall, completely max. He's very, very sensitive to overwatering. If you tend to overwater, he will rot and just kind of disappear on you. But if you can keep the watering just right and fertilize them, he's a very, very low maintenance ground cover. Low growing grass. There's absolutely no work you need to do with him. I guess I should take that back. The only thing you need to do is in the spring, recommend just kind of grabbing him like this and just cutting, getting all fresh green foliage for him. So that's it.